Welcome back, folks. Today we've got something a bit more exciting for you. Or at least I think it is. We think it is, don't we?
Yeah.
We're going to weigh my Royal Enfield Interceptor. Expert here is going to be driving the American Muscle, and we're going to be using a crane scale from eBay which assures me it's capable of lifting 300 kilograms. It better be, or we're going to have trouble. Right, let's get to it. I'll be guiding the bike up, and Glamorous Assistant here will be experting it out on the tractor. Just so you know how much fuel we've got in the tank, for comparison, it's showing full on the scale on the speedo, but it's just, as you can see there, it's just lapping up there. Got just dry on that bit there and just sloshing around, so full to a point, not brimmed and overflowing, but it is reading full on the dial, and that's the beast we'll be using to lift it. I think it should be just about capable at lifting a motorbike.
Now, bonus question here. Comment below if you think you know what the black dots are for on the exhaust, as you can see here. I think I know what they're for, but interesting to hear what others think.
Right, folks, we are airborne. We've only done it a little bit in the air with that scale in case it broke. And you see, weighs 206.5-ish, fluctuating a bit as it blows around in the wind. There you can see Royal Enfield 650 dangling from a John Deere and spinning in the wind. Let's say a big thank you to my glamorous assistant. Thank you, glamorous tractor assistant.
So folks, other than just having a bit of fun, the reason I wanted to do this was because I've made a few changes to the bike. Mainly in terms of any weight changes, it will be in respect of the rear silencers, so they've been swapped out. The original ones are very heavy. Royal Enfield list the curb weight of the Interceptor wet, but with no fuel, so ready to ride with oil etc, but no fuel, at 202 kilos. This has nearly a full tank, probably missing about a litre, but if you allow a kilo or more for the rope and shackles, it's probably a fairly fair representation of a fully fueled Interceptor, ready to ride with the exhaust change. So at 206.5 kilos, I think it is pretty accurate. So folks, hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe. And here comes a sneaky pic of my bike now sporting its black fender. Ride safe.